The Old West is alive and well in Silicon Valley and Silicon Valley North. The closure of Bench Accounting Inc., self-described as the world's largest bookkeeping and tax advisory platform last week in Vancouver, might have been devastating to the local economy, except that it wasn't. First of all, it wasn't the world's largest bookkeeping and tax advisory platform. While the company seems to have told anyone who would listen that it has 35,000 regular customers, it turns out that it eventually sold all 12,000 customers to Employer.com in a private deal. If you consider that the 5 tiers of customer plans averaged a little over $3,000 per month, that probably translates to about $36 million in annual revenue. Compare that with H&R Block's $3.6 billion in its 2024 audited statements, about 1,000 times as much, and it doesn't seem to have been very big at all. Over the life of the company, it probably raised almost as much private equity as it earned in revenue. That certainly helped the company to extend its runway, but funding operations from equity isn't a sustainable business strategy. That approach resembles a Ponzi scheme rather than a legitimate business. According to the company, Bench used a proprietary software to complete bookkeeping. All information needed for bookkeeping services can be derived from your bank, credit card, and merchant accounts once they have been connected to Bench's services. Of course, that isn't very proprietary. My own accounting firm used the same approach, but substituted commercial spreadsheets for proprietary software. Then there was the tax advisory expertise. In September of 2024, a few months before shutting the doors, the company called on all U.S. business owners, entrepreneurs, and freelancers to get ready for a stress-free year-end with our insights-packed tax planning webinar. Their resident tax expert was a licensed health and insurance agent with a mail-order MBA from the University of Phoenix and 18 years of experience as an accounting manager with a Detroit TV station, and 4 years as a seasonal tax preparer with Intuit Software. While it sold itself as helping small business owners like you save time and money doing your bookkeeping and income taxes by providing dedicated experts and easy-to-use financial software, none of their key employees had any relevant experience or qualifications in income tax. Normally, you would expect to see some CPAs or tax lawyers, not licensed health and insurance agents with mail-order MBAs. It seems that Silicon Valley's startup culture has spawned a new variation on snake oil salesmen, taken straight from the rough and ready history of the Americas in the Klondike and California.